Hi guys! So today I'm going to talk about a few of the stuff I love, absolutely love for Annabelle for this month. As you know that Annabelle is 6 weeks old now, so there are a few of the basic stuff I bought for her before she was born, and I believe those are all my October favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I love. The first thing I love is my Boppy pillow. This is a lifesaver, okay? So I got this from Walmart. I did not think I was gonna use it that much, but every time I feed her, or even if she's just sleeping and I'm holding her, my hand gets so tired. And Annabelle was, when she was born, she was 6 pound 8 ounce, but now she's 8 pound 8 ounce. So she's getting heavier, and it's kind of hard for me to hold her for a long time, and I just love that. I highly recommend you, if you are pregnant, get that. That's just a lifesaver. Alright, before I show you my next product that I love, let me tell you this, that I did not have enough milk for her, so she would stay hungry even though she would latch on for like 20-30 minutes or maybe sometimes like 45 minutes, but she would still be hungry, so she would get fussy a little, so we gave her also some formula. So that formula caused her colic. So when she was 3 weeks old, she started crying so much and she wouldn't stop, and we did not know what to do or why it's causing her. And I thought, since probably she's still hungry, so we would give her food, we'd give her a bottle, and she wouldn't still stop. And so one day she cried for like 2-3 hours. Her voice got so down, and it just freaked me out. I was so scared. My husband was so worried. So we took her to the emergency care, and the doctor said that probably she has colic, and she asked which one we were using. So I told her that we were using Similac, and the doctor said that Similac, it's very thick. We were using the basic one, so he said probably it's very thick for her, so that's why she's producing lots of gas inside. So she said she changed the formula, and this is the formula she told us. This is Enfamil Gentlis. And this is, after giving this one, she felt much better. Also gave her a little medicine that's for gas, but once we switched to this one, she got better. Like now she would not cry. I mean, of course she's a baby, she would cry when she's hungry, when she has a diaper change, but she calmed down so much. You know, sometimes she would just fall asleep by herself. I don't even have to try to, you know, put her to sleep. So yeah, that's my favorite. Probably that will be favorite until I don't know how long, but and I know the doctor said that also, that it usually the colic lasts 3 months until the baby is 3 months old. So probably after 3 months I don't have to use that, but I'm sure until I have to use that, that will be my favorite. And if I make video for every month, probably I'm gonna talk. So yeah. All right. So the next one, it's the Johnson & Johnson bedtime lotion. This is really nice. I just love this one. This one, it says helps baby sleeps better. So yeah, this is like a purple top, and I love this one. Every time, like now we are giving her a bath like every 3 days. Like if I give her a bath today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that we give her another bath. So yeah, this is really good. After I put this one, she sleeps. I don't know if that lotion helps her sleep better, but she sleeps pretty good. Like she would wake up a few times, like a couple times at night, and feed her, and then she goes right back on sleep. So this is really, I love this one. All right, the next product is Johnson & Johnson. It's baby powder, and it's medicated. I love this one because every time I change her diaper, what I do after I wipe her off, then I put this powder on her, you know, butt, and so it gets totally dry, and then I put her diaper back on. This is zinc oxide skin protectant, so it should help her prevent from her diaper rash. And she's almost 7 weeks old, and she does not have any symptoms of diaper rash. Probably it's still very early, but either way it's really helping, and I love it. Like it smells good, and it keeps her you know, under her diaper very dry, so which is really good. So yeah. All right, the next product I love is the Johnson & Johnson Face and Hand Wipes. This is like a little moisture towel, and it says 95% of dirt and germ. What I do, like every morning I wake up, after I feed her, I wipe her face with this and neck, because you know it gets like a little sweaty at night, or you know she will throw up, it rolls down here, so this keeps her face and neck area very clean. She loves this one because, and it also smells really good, so I love this. Sometimes I would use it like every time she would throw up or anything like dirty or something, I use this one. And since it's already moisture, and since it's moisture towel, it's very soft, so I can just rub anywhere, like on her face, back, hand, anywhere. So yeah, that's what I love. Absolutely love this one. So probably I'm gonna use it for a very long time. And the next product, it's a little noses. It's the saline cream. What happens is, since it's cold outside, we use heat in our house. Her nose gets really stuffy inside, so sometimes she has such a hard time breathing, and she can't even drink milk because of that. So once I put it in few drops in her little nose, it gets all clear very quickly. So I would highly recommend if your kid is having any problem. And this is also, you can use it for like if she has cold or anything, like anytime baby has stuffy nose, you can use it. So yeah, that's all I have for this month, and I hope it will be helpful for you. If you have any question or anything, put it on the bottom bar, and I will see you soon.